Now to close our eyes and turn our attention within. Within you is a remembrance of who you truly are. One with Spirit, the creator of your own life. And in this place of remembrance and of power, you allow that Spirit to guide you intuitively in this moment, to realize that that which you want requires first that you unfold that which you need to be in this coming year, and that which you need to release, that which you need to allow to be chipped away by this life and this love that is bigger than all of us combined. So I invite us now to take a moment in the silence and then come out in your own time. As you bring your attention gently back to the space of this room, I invite you to write on your paper the word that symbolizes all that you wish to release. And then wait for the usher to let you know when it's time to come up. And I'll hold space in prayer for all of you.
Spend all your time waiting for your second chance, for a break that will make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh, beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins and maybe be empty, oh, and weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark old hotel room and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting, keeps on building lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference escaping one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness, oh, this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark old hotel room and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.